An American poet, Emily Dickinson, wrote, "Hope is a thing with feathers." And I think that's what birds symbolize. They symbolize hope, they symbolize goodwill, they symbolize beauty. We don't talk enough about the power of beauty. Nature has beauty to give us in almost endless supply, and certainly birds are one of the great dispensers of beauty, the great gifts of beauty. And especially in this time of a pandemic, I think that nature means so much more to people than many have realized. It uplifts us, inspires us, restores us. Nature is just fundamental to not only our individual well-being, but society's well-being. And it can be just a little bit of nature outside one's home. But when it's on a grand scale, it just has almost unlimited depth of meaning. And I think that these times when people are confined largely to indoor environments, we're beginning to realize just how critical nature is to our physical well-being, mental well-being, emotional and spiritual well-being. One of my closest friendships in China began years ago with a 12-year-old girl who talked about, "Once I met birds, I loved them as much as I love my own mother." That is the power of birds and the power of nature. And I think what it means is that we all have a responsibility, once our own eyes have been opened to that power, to share that with others. What gives me hope is the capacity that people have for opening their eyes to the wonders of nature, to its beauty. We live on a living planet, and nature is just a dimension of our earthly experience that deserves all the attention, the care, and the support it can get.